You wake up and just don't feel like yourself anymore, tired, stiff, and moving slower than you used to. That's not just aging, it's your body asking for help. And the good news, you can help it, starting today. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 small daily habits that can bring back your strength, mobility, and energy. They're simple, they're safe, and they've helped thousands of older adults feel alive again. Let's get into it. Most people think strength starts in the gym, but for older adults, it starts the moment you wake up. Before reaching for your phone or rushing out of bed, give yourself 5 quiet minutes. Start by sitting on the edge of the bed. Gently rotate your ankles, stretch your arms overhead, roll your shoulders. This is an exercise, it's a message to your body, we're getting ready. Just 5 minutes of mindful movement each morning can improve circulation, balance, and mental clarity. Over time, this becomes a gentle but powerful daily ritual. It sets the tone for strength, not stiffness. If you're eating less as you age, you're not alone. But here's what many don't realize. Muscle loss isn't just from inactivity, it's from underfeeding your muscles. Your body needs more high-quality protein now than it did at 30. Aim for 20-30 grams of protein in every meal. Think a boiled egg with Greek yogurt for breakfast, a handful of nuts as a snack, lentils or grilled chicken at lunch. Don't overcomplicate it, but be consistent. Protein is the raw material your muscles need to rebuild, especially if you feel weak. This one exercise can predict mobility, independence, and even life expectancy. It's called the chair stand. Sit on a sturdy chair, cross your arms over your chest. Now, stand up without using your hands and sit back down. Try it 5 times. At first, it might be hard. That's okay. Do what you can. Over weeks, your thighs, glutes, and core will get stronger, and so will your confidence. This movement mimics everyday life. Getting up from the toilet, rising from the couch, climbing stairs. Train it daily, and you train your freedom. Feeling stiff and achy, your joints may be crying out for water. Dehydration affects joint lubrication and energy levels. Aim for 6 to 8 cups of water a day, unless your doctor advises otherwise. And don't wait until you're thirst. Thirst is often a late signal. Add lemon or cucumber slices if plain water bores you. T counts to make hydration a habit, not an afterthought. Your joints, muscles, and even your brain will thank you. You don't need an hour at the gym. A simple 10-minute walk, once or twice a day, can transform how you feel. It boosts your circulation, lifts your mood, and reactivates the muscles in your legs and hips. Don't worry about speed, focus on consistency. Walk around your garden, the block, or even inside your home. Invite a friend or listen to calming music. This small ritual signals to your body, we're still moving forward. And in time, you'll feel the difference, not just in your legs, but in your spirit. You may feel weaker than you used to, but you're not helpless. Your body is waiting for you to take that first small step. Start with just one of these habits. Let it become part of your day. Then add another, and another. These aren't just health tips, they're reminders. You still have strength. You still have power. And it's never too late to feel better than you did yesterday. If this helped you, share it with someone you care about. And if you want more simple, empowering advice just like this, subscribe to the channel. I'm here for you, always.